I can do this myself. One at a time. Sorry to interrupt. I think you misunderstand. No matter what. It's not gonna happen. Let me handle this. Is so much fun. So am I. I get distracted by. There you go. I will do my best. I can't remember. This is all based on. I was not even halfway through. It's better than nothing. To make things better. So go ahead. On a day-to-day basis. We are not really in touch. A while ago. It is my understanding that. It's a question of. At the age of 14. I did not have that much time. When it comes to. Probably just over a week ago. So have I. Basically, it's about. I got sick. A little bit worrying. In a very short time. As much as you can. Over time. You will find that over time as. For ages. At the back of. There is nothing wrong with that. Not a chance. Place it together. Just in case you were wondering. That was never my intent. I hope you agree. A long time passed. To get to know. I wish I knew this when I was there. It makes sense. With regards to. This is going to sound really strange. It's going to make life so difficult. I have been doing it for nearly. That just made an absolute nightmare. Which is kind of not surprising me. I have no idea where to start on this one. There is something going around. Generally speaking, yeah, it's for everyone. I am going to be honest with you. Try not to get distracted. If I can be of help. Even though. That's correct. Go on. We are on track. In general. Even though I managed. You have my word. Even it doesn't look like it. It's a source of. In fairness. The clock is ticking. It's a kind of a weird time. Funnily enough, it is hard to know. Far from me. It's not all good news. At the end of the day, I got ill. In support. On the line. Oh God, here we go. Even though there was a slight sense of. To get in touch with you. She's giving away. Not as things stand. I get a bit obsessed about. It's not unusual for me. You can't maintain. It starts to kind of hurt. There's people out there. I give you my word. I was disappointed in myself. It has a different feel to it. Everybody is different. I feel ashamed. You don't really have a need. There must be something in the air. Just to give you a reminder, you need to work on that. On the front line. Vocabio, your way to learn English. Listen, learn, enjoy.